morning, afternoon, evening, forever you're watching. You're welcome back once again to the Mickey Mouse Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. What do we have for today? Come along with me. We have dividing fractions. What do we do when we divide fraction? The first thing you need to know, there's a formula we use, two fractions together. The first thing is you keep the first one, you switch or you change the signs, then you flip KSF. Remember this, you keep the first one, you switch or you change the sign, and you flip the remaining fraction. So let's use that formula here. So we asked to keep this 3/4, 3/4, we keep it, that's to remain constant. We switch the sign, we change the division to multiplication. We are taking the reciprocal of this 1/7. That's invariably what we are doing. So this is, we flip it, this 7 comes up and this 1 goes down. So this becomes 7/1. So from here we multiply. 3 times 7 is 21. 21/4. We'll break it down as a mixed number, which give us 5 whole number, 1/4, and that's all. Now let's look at the second one. 2/3 divided by 2/5. The same thing, we keep this first one, that's 2/3. We switch the sign, multiplication, and flip this. So this is 5/2. So from here, 2 times 5 is 10 over 3 times 2, that's 6. How many 6 will you see in 10? That's 1, remainder 4/6. Now what do we do next? We can still break down this 4 and 6. 2 can go 1, 2 in 4 is 2, 2 in 6 is 3. That's 1/2/3. All right, let's look at this next examples. We have 1/2 divided by 3/4, and 5, this is a whole number, divided by 2/3. Still remember our KSF, keep, switch, and flip. So the first one, we keep this 1/2, we flip the sign, that's multiplication times, we switch the sign rather, then we flip the fraction. So this is times 4/3. So what do we have? 1 times 4 is 4. 4/2 times 3 is 6. So something can still go. 2 can divide. 2 is a common factor. So 2 in 4 is 2 over 2 in 6 is 3. So 2/3 is our final answer. Let's look at this one. 5, keep the first number 5, switch the sign, times, then flip the fraction. So this becomes times 3/2. The numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes the numerator. So this is 5 times 3, this is like 5/1. 5 times 3 is 15. 1 times 2 is 2. So how many 2 you see in 15? That's 7. Remainder 1/2. All right, let's take the last example. This is a combination of mixed number and a fraction, and you're having two mixed numbers. So the first thing we do before we apply this keep, switch, and flip, the first thing we need to convert this mixed number to an improper fraction. How do we do that? We multiply this 4 times 1, 4. We add the numerator, that's 7. 7/4 divided by 1/2. Now the next thing we do, we now apply the keep, switch, and flip. So we keep the 7/4, we switch the sign to be multiplication, we switch this, so this becomes 2/1. So the next thing we do, we can multiply 7 times 2, 14/4. 4 times 1 is 4. So something can go here, that's 2. That will give us 7/2. Now you can put your number, your answer in a mixed number. 2 in 7. How many 2 you see there? That's 3. remainder 1 over 2. So 3.5 is the answer. Now, let's do the same for this. The same thing we do for this, we'll convert this mixed number to improper fraction. So 5 times 5, 25, plus 3, 28 over 5, divided by 3 times 2, 6, plus 1, that's 7 over 3. Now we apply the formula of KSF. We keep this 28 over 5, we keep it. We switch the sign, times, then we flip this. So this is 3 over 7. Okay, we can use the cancellation method to simplify this, because 28 times 3 will give us large numbers, 7 times 5. So what we do, we just divide 7 here, 1, 7 in 28, 4. So we are left with 4 times 3, that's 12, over 5 times 1, 5. So we can put our answer as a mixed number. So how many 5 we see in 12? That's 2. Remainder 2 over 5. Alright, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Just like in our usual style, before we go, here's some lists of take-home fun. You can practice at your leisure time. Let's go. The first one is 5.5. 5 over number 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 1 number 2 over 3. The second one, 5 over 7 divided by 15 over 28. The third one, 10 divided by 2 over 3. The fourth one, 1 number 3 over 5 divided by 16. The fifth one, 3 number 1 over 5 divided by 2 over 5. And the last one, last but not the least, 4 number 1 over 3 divided by 2.5. I hope you have enjoyed today's class, how to divide fractions. Remember the formula KSF, keep, switch, and flip. Okay, if you enjoyed today's class, give us a like, share our videos, tell your friends about the Mickey Mouse class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problems look easy. If you are yet to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss out on wonderful content on the channel. And if there's any aspect of mathematics you are finding challenging, put it in the comment section and I'll be attending to them. Let me also know the answers of this take-home fun in the comment section. Till we meet again, keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. See you at the top. Shalom.